SecTerm is a hardware security device that is the most secure internet environment in existence. The device is a regular keyboard with a small display screen on top, similar to this gaming keyboard. SecTerm defeats malware. When software runs on a regular PC, malware can eavesdrop on or modify data. But with SecTerm, internet application software, such as a web browser and an email client, runs on SecTerm and establishes end-to-end cryptographic channels with remote servers, communicating via the PC's existing internet connection. Malware residing on the PC is defeated because the traffic is cryptographically protected as it passes through the PC. Malware cannot make its way onto SecTerm because SecTerm is a hardware security module. Only legitimate software which has been digitally signed can run on SecTerm. SecTerm's communications interface narrowly restricts the inbound traffic, and SecTerm resists physical tampering. These same techniques are employed by other hardware security modules, in ATMs, point-of-sale terminals, and some internet servers. In general, SecTerm transparently passes through keystrokes to the PC where they're vulnerable to malware. But for the most sensitive tasks, SecTerm routes the keystrokes to its on-board internet applications. SecTerm is a general-purpose, sterile internet platform and can be used to secure almost any application. It also includes readers for chip cards, magnetic stripe cards, and contactless NFC tags, and an audio headset socket, which allow even more applications to be secured. Let's look at some of our favourite apps. For online banking, most of the user experience remains on the regular PC, but the most sensitive tasks are protected by performing them on SecTerm, such as entry of the username and password, and for final confirmation before committing to a transaction. Each of the major card associations offers an internet payment scheme called 3D Secure, but to defend 3D Secure against malware, the customer still uses their regular PC for shopping and filling their cart. But for the final step of the payment process, SecTerm is used for the bank's 3D Secure authentication form. The card number can be swiped or typed or tapped from an NFC card or smartphone. EMV is a chip card scheme used by banks all over the world and is currently being rolled out in the US. SecTerm supports MasterCard CAP and Visa DPA, allowing EMV cards to authenticate online banking and web payments. Two SecTerm users can establish an end-to-end secure communications channel, preventing malware from eavesdropping on communications, such as email and, by connecting a headset, phone calls. SecTerm can accept US government Common Access CAC cards, either contact or contactless, to defend the CAC endpoint application from malware. A Bitcoin wallet runs on SecTerm to truly protect Bitcoin private keys in a vault. SecTerm also allows Bitcoins to be transported on high-security chip cards or contactless NFC tags. A text editor runs on SecTerm, allowing text files to be securely entered and stored and to be transported on high-security chip cards or contactless NFC tags. PCs are designed to be open and to run any software, so by their nature PCs will always be vulnerable to malware. SecTerm achieves true information assurance by isolating sensitive data and tasks on a sterile hardware security module. SecTerm is the most secure internet environment in existence.